Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're in beautiful downtown Palm Beach and we're checking out the latest from Harris Pontoons. By the way, Harris Pontoons been in business since 1957, the longest pontoon builder in the United States. So here we have the 250 Sunliner. We need to step aboard and see what she's all about. So when we talk about this beautiful boat, there's three ways to gain access. Right here in the bow, then amidships, and then we have a door in the aft for the ultimate in safety and ease of accessibility. Obviously, they've come a long way since 1957. This is a beautifully designed boat. It's not your grandfather's pontoon. Just check out the comfort up here. We have two forward and rear facing cushioned seats up here on both the port and starboard side. You can put your feet up and relax. Of course, we have those Clarion speakers underneath and a JL head unit. So you can hear this bad boy, send some music down all day long. And if you want some sun, what better place to do it right up here in the bow. You can see there's a lot of space up here to get around. Hey, when you're ready to throw the hook and relax, a lot of people are going to come on board and have a cool drink with you. So Harris Pontoons is part of the Brunswick Corporation. So what does that mean to me as a boat owner? Guess what? They matched the perfect Mercury engine with the Simrad display, and everything is integrated and built specifically for the boat because it's all in one large umbrella company. Very well done, very well thought out, great integration of product. This is a tri-tune. It's not your grandfather's pontoon in performance. So when you're ready to pin this thing, we're gonna do in the mid-30s, it's gonna cruise around 20. It's got a fuel capacity of 37 gallons, so you can really get to where you wanna go, throw the hook, relax on the beach, or go to your favorite dock bar. Now, if you get to a bridge that's too low, we have this sunroof area, which you can lower down to get under a bridge or to transport it. Then we have two comfortable chairs for both the captain and the first mate, and plenty of space to relax with all your friends. So throughout this boat, you're going to find this seagrass comfortable footing. It's safe, it's washable, and it wears really well. Now, when we're paying attention to safety, here it is in the aft end. If you want to fish this thing, you want to get the grandkids on and off the boat, you can do it, and you can do it safely. If you're ready for water sports, we got a tow package on this thing. So if you're ready to tube, maybe do a little wakeboarding, you can do that as well. So this is the best part of the boat, the transom area. It's very transformative, and it starts right here with this bar seat. Right now, it's a three-person forward-facing seat, but I can lift this up and it can become a full lounger, or it can be a rear-facing lounger as well. This boat checks so many boxes. It's ready for the family. You're gonna have a blast. You can accommodate a lot of people on this boat. What you really need to do is take her for a sea trial, grab the wheel, and take her for a spin.